Hello, my dear students. Please welcome. Let's see how many members are attending for our live. Next waiting. I'll start the session within 1 minute. Time పడుతుంది. Okay, streaming is going on. Right. Today our topic is MCQs. Let me check is my voice is clear or not. Today our topic is Xenon Gamer. Good morning. Welcome Xenon Gamer. May I know your name? It is our first question. Gonadotrophic releasing hormone and a hypothalamic hormone needed in reproduction acts on. Yes, thank you, Gamer. Yeah, Adiba, hi. Please welcome. It is our first question. Gonadotrophic releasing hormone, a hypothalamic hormone needed in a reproduction acts on anterior pituitary or posterior pituitary. Yeah, Safiuddin, how are you? Posterior pituitary gland stimulates the secretion of LH and relaxin, or stimulates the secretion of LH and oxytocin, stimulates the secretion of LH and FSH. Safiuddin, can you answer this question? Yeah, thanks for that likes. Even single answer is enough. Everyone okalu answer chesthe we will move to the next question. Yes. Yeah, Adiba, I left an academy. Very good. It is option A, anterior pituitary gland. We already draw the diagram in our classroom that says hypothalamus and pituitary gland. It secretes a releasing hormone which stimulates the anterior pituitary and it stimulates LH and FSH. Right. Very good. Second question. Name a peptide hormone which acts mainly on hepatocytes, adipocytes and enhances cellular glucose uptake and utilization. Sai Royal, hi. Welcome, Sai Royal. Name the peptide hormone which acts mainly on hepatocytes, adipocytes and enhances cellular glucose uptake and utilization. Insulin, glucose and secretin and gastrin. Peptide hormone it is first one and acts mainly on hepatocytes, adipocytes and enhances cellular glucose uptake. Glucagon increases the glucose level inside the body, and here I am asking about the uptaking of glucose. Yeah, Matam Umarani, please welcome. Good morning. Adiba says as B. Whether B is right answer or wrong answer. Glucagon. Actually, glucagon works on hepatocytes, adipocytes, enhances glucose levels. But here the question is enhances cellular glucose uptake. So it is insulin. Very good. Option A is the right answer. Safiuddin. Insulin increases the cellular uptake of glucose. Glucagon increases the glucose level in the blood. Insulin secreted from which cells? Glucagon secretes from which cells? Anybody? Insulin and glucagon. సాయి రాయల్ వస్తాను. ఎక్కడికి వస్తా, ఎక్కడ రమ్మంటావు? So Insulin is secreted from, yes, very good. Insulin is secreted from beta. Glucagon is secreted from alpha. Pancreatic islets. Adiba, superb. Third option. Third answer. The amino acid tryptophan. The amino acid tryptophan is a precursor for the synthesis of. Yes, no problem. The amino acid tryptophan is the precursor for the synthesis of tryptophan. AP Model College, Venkatagiri. Okay. Let's check. Actually, I am working in another college in Telangana. AP custom. Amino acid tryptophan is the precursor for the synthesis of anyone, any guess? Estrogen and progesterone, cortisol and cortisone, melatonin and serotonin, thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Actually, it is not a cortisol, it is a melatonin and serotonin. Melatonin and serotonin is the right answer. Yes. Fourth question. Fourth question. Which one of the following hormones is not involved in sugar metabolism? Sugar metabolism. Which of the following hormone is not involved? Oh. Glucagon, thyroid itself, name itself says it is a glucose related hormone, and sugar is nothing but a glucose. So for this the right answer is aldosterone. Excellent, Adiba. Aldosterone is the right answer. Fifth question. Which one of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by the master gland? Which one of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by the master gland? First of all, we must know about the master gland. Which is master gland in our body? Yes, for this question. From now onwards, please mention the question number also, because we move rapidly one by one. Yes, very good. Pituitary is the master gland. So some hormones synthesized elsewhere and stored in pituitary, released by the pituitary. What is the gland? Okay, it is not glucagon. Yes, somebody says genome gamer, antidiuretic hormone is the right answer. ADH is released from the neurohypophysis. If it is the pituitary gland, it is adenohypophysis. It is neurohypophysis, and neurohypophysis release two hormones only, that is ADH and oxytocin. Here oxytocin is not there in the option, so antidiuretic hormone is the right answer. Sixth question. Yes, very good. Genome gamer, that means who is that? Safiuddin. Grishu Reddy. Please welcome. Grishu Reddy means Grishma. Come to the sixth question. A chemical signal that has both endocrine and neural role is. Very easy question. It is 5 rupees question. Count banega karadupati, I think. Very easy question. A chemical signal that has both endocrine and neural roles. Excellent. Yeah, Safiuddin, I know. Adiba, option A is the right answer. It is epinephrine. Epinephrine acts as a neurotransmitter in sympathetic nervous system, as like it acts as a endocrine hormone, which is secreted from the adrenal gland. Seventh one. Seventh one, please give the right answer. Fight or flight reactions cause activation of. Yes, epinephrine, correct. So try to type the complete answer, or otherwise try to type the question number also along with your option, selected option. Yes, Adiba. Yeah, very good, Adiba. The answer is C. The adrenal medulla leading to increased secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine. Adrenal medulla. The remaining cortex, they are glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, sex corticoids from adrenal cortex. Okay, that is the seventh question answer. Eighth question. For eighth question, a pregnant female delivers a baby who suffers from stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligent quotient, and abnormal skin. This is the result of. This type of applicable questions are very important in your NEET preparation, because you become a great doctor in future also. Xenon Gamma gives the answer as a C. Yes, very good. Eighth also C. Deficiency of iodine in diet. This condition is known as what? The stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligent quotient, abnormal skin. What is this type of disorder? Yes, deficiency of iodine in diet. Very good, Adiba. Excellent. And I want to. I'm supposed to take a answer as which is the disorder that. What disorder is that? Stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligent quotient, abnormal skin. Is it a simple goiter or it is a exophthalmic goiter? Yes, it is hypothyroidism. Okay. Hypothyroidism in mother, not in baby. The baby condition is what? The baby condition is known as. The baby condition is known as. Yes, excellent, Safiuddin. It is a cretinism. It is not simple goiter, Ifra. It is cretinism. Very good, Ifra Maksud. Thank you for your participation. Try to give the right answer for ninth question. Which of the following statement is correct in relation to the endocrine system? It is D. Which one of the following statement is correct in relation to the endocrine system? Yeah. First one, non-nutrient chemicals produced by the body in trace amounts that act as a intercellular messengers are known as hormones. That is the first option. They releasing and inhibitory hormones are produced by the pituitary gland. That is the second option. Adenohypophysis is under direct neural regulation of the hypothalamus. That is third option. Organs in the body like gastrointestinal tract, heart, kidney, liver do not produce any hormones. Which of these? Yes, Janon Gamer, option A for the ninth question. Yes, excellent. Ninth question option. Answer is A. Let's check the remaining options also. Actually, hormones are the non-nutrient chemicals produced by the body in trace amounts that act as intercellular messengers are known as hormones. It is a direct definition which is present in NCRT and SCRT also. Come to the second option. Releasing and inhibitory hormones are produced by the what? It is not pituitary gland. It is hypothalamus. It is hypothalamus. Next, adenohypophysis is under direct neural regulation of the hypothalamus. No, it is not adenohypophysis. It is neurohypophysis. Come to the organs of the body like gastrointestinal tract. They also release some hormones like gastrin. Heart also releases a hormone known as what? ANP. Kidney release a hormone. What is that? Erythropoietin. Liver also release. Thank you, Safiyuddin. Thank you so much. Non-nutrient chemical produced by the body in trace amounts that act as intracellular messengers are known as hormones. Excellent, Adiba. Very good. Come to the 10th question. Select the option which correctly matches endocrine gland with its hormone and its function. 10th question. Placenta estrogen initiates the secretion of milk. Corpus luteum estrogen, essential for maintenance of endometrium. Leydig cells androgen initiates the production of sperm cells. Ovary follicular stimulating hormone stimulates follicular development and the secretion of estrogens. Which of the following option is correct according to the releasing organ, released hormone and its function? 10C. Okay, very good. Adiba, excellent. Leydig cells. Leydig cells release androgens. Chief androgen is testosterone. Leydig cells also known as interstitial cells. They initiate the production of sperm cells. That is the correct. Corpus luteum release, of course, corpus luteum release progesterone, not estrogen, essential for the maintenance of endometrium. Placenta also release the progesterone, but in the estrogen also sometimes initiates secretion of milk, that is oxytocin. Ovary, okay. Ovary never release follicular stimulating hormone. Ovary releases estrogen and progesterone hormones in different times. 11th question. For 11th question, please give the right answer. Norepinephrine is released by sympathetic fibers, is released by parasympathetic fibers, increases the heart rate, decreases the blood pressure. So it is easy question. It is very easy question. 11th question. The C option maybe is not appear for you. C option is second and fourth. That is the C option. I may cover the option C. So just write the option here, but don't take that as a right answer or wrong answer. 11th question. 11th question, 11 members, 11:16 time. Yes, the right answer is for 11th question, Adiba B, 2 and 3. If it releases from the parasympathetic fibers, it never increases the heart rate because parasympathetic nervous system relaxes. Sympathetic nervous system increase the heartbeat. So if it is the right, the correct match is 3. If it is the right, the correct match is 4. So you match two unmatched things, Adiba, which are not matched. Parasympathetic means increasing heart rate. Sympathetic means decreasing, parasympathetic means decreasing blood pressure. Yes. Yeah. So the right answer is what? Is sympathetic either 1 and 3 or 2 and 4. So either option A or option C, you have to select like that only. That is the correct match. So B and D are definitely wrong answers. Maybe A. Okay. First remember one thing. Sympathetic nervous system are known as adrenergic sympathetic nervous system. Adrenergic system. And parasympathetic nervous system is known as cholinergic. So parasympathetic nervous fibers release acetylcholine A. That's why cholinergic. Sympathetic fibers release epinephrine or norepinephrine as neurotransmitters. So they are known as adrenergic. Simple. So sympathetic, adrenaline or noradrenaline, they increase the heart rate. The right answer is option A. Clear? Option A is the right answer. Simple question, very very easy question it is. There is no confusion. Sympathetic always gives some type of power to our muscles to fight or flight or fright. That power is transmitted through the adrenaline or noradrenaline. Arrogant hormones they are. Arrogant adrenaline, noradrenaline. Come to the parasympathetic, it relaxes, it contracts the sympathetic nervous system with acetylcholine A. They are very smooth, relaxing hormones. Okay, right. 12th question. 12th question. Which of the following represents the action of insulin? 7 members like our video, even though 10 members are watching. Thanks for that 7 members. They will definitely crack the NEET examination. Which of the following represents the action of insulin? Increases the blood glucose levels by stimulating the glucagon production. Decreases the blood glucose levels by forming the glycogen. Increasing the blood glucose levels by promoting cellular uptake of glucose. It is funny option I think. Increases the blood glucose levels by hydrolysis of glycogen. Yes, Genome Gamer Safiuddin, excellent. Insulin always decreases the blood glucose levels by forming glycogen or by increasing the cellular uptake of glucose. It is hypoglycemic hormone, insulin. Hypoglycemic hormone. It always try to reduce the glucose levels in the blood. Thirteenth question. 13th question. Some options are like that, Adiba and Safiuddin. Given below is an incomplete table on hormones, their source, glands, and one major effect of each human body. Identify the option representing the correct grouping of hormone, its gland, and effect. Gland, secretion, and effect on the body. So, which gland secretes the estrogen and maintenance of secondary sexual characters? Is it a ovary or placenta or anything? So, it is not a placenta, I think, because before forming placenta, females have secondary sexual characters. So, definitely, maybe it is a or C. 13th question. Yeah, let's see. Alpha cells of the islets of Langerhans. Alpha cells secretes what? Adiba, is it a insulin? Alpha cells? Alpha cells always secrete glucagon. Beta cells secrete insulin. So, if it is alpha cell, glucagon is the right answer. Automatically option A is the right answer. Yes. Option A is right answer. 14th question. Wrong answer. 14th question. The 24-hour rhythm of our body, such as sleep and wake cycle, is regulated by the hormone, which is biological clock, which acts as a biological clock which regulates the sleep and wake cycle, diurnal cycle. 14th question. Safiuddin and Adiba, great. The right answer is Babu Yadav, superb, welcome. Melatonin. Melatonin is the right answer, which is secreted from which gland? Melatonin. What is this? It is the third ventricle and it is a thalamus, epithalamus. The epithalamus goes back to form a gland swelling. That is excellent. Pineal gland it is. We already draw this diagram in our class. Okay, so it is the pineal gland. It secretes the melatonin, which controls the diurnal cycle. 15th question. Injury to adrenal cortex is not likely to affect the secretion of which one of the following? Very, very important. Injury to adrenal cortex. Sometimes it leads to death. Very, very essential and important part it is adrenal cortex region. Not sometimes, always. If the adrenal cortex have any abscesses, is there any problem with that? It leads to death. Injury to adrenal cortex is not likely to affect the secretion of which one of the following? Yes, yes, I know, Safiuddin. Even though you are not listening our classes, please make silent. You're giving great answers, right answers. Aldosterone? No, it is not aldosterone. Aldosterone is secreted from the adrenal cortex. Adrenal corticotropic hormone stimulates the cortex region to release aldosterone. So, aldosterone is from the cortex region. Both the androsten, what is this? Androstenedione and dihydroepiandrosterone. Like the options which are very difficult to pronounce, these are the right answers. Like philosophy, ferocious, great language. So B is the right answer. Babu Yadav. Yes, Ravani Podili. She also says as B. Actually, this is the first time I think I read this type of hormones in our body. Androstenedione. Okay. Androstenedione. It is not a right answer. Yes, it is adrenaline. I too don't know, Adiba, about the option B. Adrenaline is the right answer, which is secreted from the adrenal medulla. This is the adrenal gland, and medulla release adrenaline. So androstenedione and dihydroepiandrosterone, they also release from the cortex region. Maybe they are mineralocorticoids. Yes, the right answer is adrenaline. Come to the 16th question. Yeah, adrenaline. 16th question. Low calcium levels in the body fluid. Low calcium levels in the body fluid may be the cause of tetany, anemia, angina pectoris, gout. Low calcium in the body fluid may be the cause of tetany, anemia, angina pectoris or gout. Excellent, tetany. The remaining terms, anemia is very familiar. If we lose blood cells, it causes anemia condition. Angina pectoris is the warning call to heart attack. If angina pectoris is formed, that means within few weeks you will be get a heart attack. That is the warning call to the heart attack. And gout is a bones related disorder, muscle and bones related disorder. Tetany is the right answer. Which one of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? 17th question. Yeah, low iron also it causes anemia. Excellent. So which one of the following pairs is incorrectly matched? Seventeenth A. Excellent. Glucagon is not beta cells. Glucagon is from alpha cells. 17th question answer is A. Very good. It is actually previous question. Like in previous slide it is present. Of course all questions are previous questions from the NEET examinations. 18th question. Excellent, Adiba. From now onwards, not this time only. From now onwards you have to give the right answer. Okay. Most well-known hormone insulin is from beta. The remaining alpha is glucagon. 18th question. Toxic agents present in food which interfere with thyroxine synthesis lead to development of. Toxic agents present in the food which interfere with the thyroxine synthesis. Toxins, so goiter, toxic goiter. Great. Sai Kiran Sai 1920. Actually, the right answer is simple goiter. If thyroxine is not produced, what happened? The simple goiter will form. The thyroid gland will become swollen. Yes, simple goiter is the right answer. Cretinism is not right answer because if mother face the thyroid problem, baby get cretinism. Okay, that is the cretinism. So don't confuse with the cretinism. Cretinism is the disorder which is present from the birth, which received through the mother. If the mother is if mother face a problem, simple goiter. Okay. 19th question. 19th question. Thyrotoxicosis. I don't know thyrotoxicosis. Toxin means it is a toxic effect of thyroid maybe. Next 19th question. A health disorder that results from the deficiency of thyroxine in the adults and characterized by a low metabolic rate, that is the first one. Increase in the body weight, that is the second one. And tendency to retain water in the tissues, that is the third one. Okay, which disorder it is? 19th question. Yes, excellent, it is myxoedema. Tendency to retain water in the tissues is nothing but edema. So it is myxoedema. Hypothyroidism causes simple goiter. Sometimes it leads to the cretinism in the baby. So all these three options are wrong. That is the one method, and where there is a retention water in tissues, that is edema, it is myxoedema. 20th question. The blood calcium levels is lowered by the deficiency of. The blood calcium level is lowered by the deficiency of both calcitonin and parathormone. Calcitonin, parathormone, thyroxine. Actually, option A is right answer. No. Option A is a funny answer because calcitonin and parathormone are antagonistic nature. Both give their effects which are counteract to one another. So calcium levels are lowered by the calcitonin. Calcitonin is released from which gland? Can anybody? Which gland secretes the calcitonin? 21st question. Come to the 21st question. Which hormone causes dilation of blood vessels, increased oxygen consumption and glucogenesis? Which hormone causes dilation of blood vessels, increased oxygen consumption and glucogenesis? Yes, thyroid, Adiba and Safiyuddin, very good. So 21st question answer is causes dilation of blood vessels, increased oxygen consumption and glucogenesis. Okay, 21 option is no, it is not a glucagon. Safiyuddin, it is not a glucagon. Glucagon never affects the blood vessel dilation, oxygen consumption, and glucagon do glycogenesis. Glycogenolysis. Glycogen ని divide చేస్తుంది అనమాట. It divides the glycogen. So glycogenolysis. The right answer is for the 21st question is adrenaline. Adrenaline is the right answer. Adrenaline dilates the blood vessels and increase oxygen consumption and glucogenesis. All are occur in our body when flight or fight or fright conditions are appear. When we feel fear, when we feel to do fight with another person, at that time adrenaline is released and our blood vessels are increased in diameter and oxygen consumption is more and glucose is also prepared in our blood. Yes, Adiba, fight or flight is. 22nd question. 22nd question. Please give the right answer for this question. Which of the following is an accumulation and release center of neurohormones? Accumulation and releasing center of neurohormones. It is also a previous question. That means it is present in previous slide. This type of question. The hormone is synthesized elsewhere and stored and released by the another gland. That is anterior or posterior, adeno or neurohypophysis, or it is an intermediate lobe. That means pars intermedia, pars distalis. Yes, excellent, Safiuddin. The right answer is posterior pituitary lobe. Posterior pituitary lobe is the right answer. It is known as pars nervosa. It is known as pars nervosa, or it is also known as what? It is neurohypophysis. It is the part of hypothalamus actually. Come to the 23rd question. Second question, the right answer is not posterior pituitary lobe, it is hypothalamus. I am not saying this answer. Sorry. Which of the following is an accumulation and releasing center of neurohormones? Hypothalamus is the right answer. Yes. 23rd question. A steroid hormone which regulates the glucose metabolism is? Steroid hormone which regulates the glucose metabolism is? Yes, it is cortisol. It is a steroid hormone which regulates the glucose metabolism. Cortisol. 24th question. Which one of the following is not a secondary messenger in hormone action? Secondary messenger, but not a secondary messenger in a hormone action. CAMP, CGMP, calcium, sodium. 24th question. It is also very easy question. Yes, excellent, Safiuddin, John of fasciculator. Come to this 24th question. Very important. Which one of the following is not a secondary messenger in hormone action? We already know CAMP is a secondary messenger, and during lecture also I give example as calcium is also sometimes acts as a secondary messenger. If it is a adenosine monophosphate, it is guanosine monophosphate, so it is also a secondary messenger. The right answer is yes, sodium. Sodium is not a secondary messenger in hormone action. 25th question. For 25th question, which one of the following hormone is modified amino acid? Modified amino acid. Which one of the following hormone is a modified amino acid? 25th question. Yeah, IP3. IPE. Yes, very good. Safiyuddin, epinephrine is a modified amino acid. Well prepared. 26th question. Which one of the following pairs correctly matches a hormone with a disease resulting from its deficiency? Correctly matched hormone with its a disease. Luteinizing hormone, insulin, thyroxine, parathyroid hormone. Yeah, Sai Kiran, Sai 1920 and Safiuddin option A for the last question of this question, 26th question. Please mention the question number. Yes, Sai Kiran, Sai give the right answer. Sorry, answer as B, whether it is right answer or wrong answer. The right answer is what? Okay, A is 25. Okay, for the 26th, Leon Raj. Please welcome Leon Raj, 26th question. A is the right answer. Insulin, thyroxine, the remaining all are wrong. The right answer is option A because which one of the following pairs correctly matches a hormone with a disease resulting from its deficiency? You have to mention here. He mentioned that disease resulting its deficiency. If it is deficient, luteinizing hormone is deficient, failure of ovulation will occur. But insulin is deficient, it can't, it never causes any changes in diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus is due to ADH problem, anti-diuretic hormone problem, not the insulin problem. Thyroxine never causes the tetany. Thyroxine deficiency never causes the tetany. Tetany is caused by the low calcium levels. And parathyroid hormone is not cause the diabetes mellitus. Actually, insulin causes the diabetes mellitus. Insulin and glucagon, which are released from the. Yeah, Leon Raj, I have my college is open, so I leave the academy. But no problem. Every Sundays or alternate days, I'll conduct some live sessions in our channel Rajesh Biology. You can subscribe. Click on bell symbol for notifications. Right? Yes. So the right answer is option A. Yeah. Beta cells. 27th question. Chemically, hormones are. It is also a very important previous question. Biogenic amines only, proteins, steroids, and biogenic amines, proteins only, steroids only. I asked this question in our classroom, Safiuddin. I think you are present on that day. Chemically, hormones are biogenic amines only, proteins, steroids, and biogenic. Yes, very good. The right answer is proteins, steroids, and biogenic amines. Hormones. 28th question. 28th question. Yeah, 27B. Excellent, Sai Kiran. Sai Kiran Sai 1920. I wasn't there. When both ovaries are removed from rat, then which hormone is decreased in blood? If we remove the ovaries of female rat, which hormone is decreased in the blood? Oxytocin, prolactin, estrogen, and gonadotropin releasing hormone. 28th question. Yes, it is estrogen because prolactin is released from the anterior pituitary, oxytocin is released from the posterior pituitary, and gonadotropin releasing hormone, it is released from the hypothalamus. So the right answer is estrogen. 29th question. 29th question. Mainly which type of hormones control The menstrual cycle in human beings. Which type of hormones control the menstrual cycle in human beings? FSH, LH, FSH, LH, estrogen and progesterone. Mainly which type of hormones? Progesterone only, Leon Raj. Sai Kiran Sai also says as only progesterone. Actually, it is not a progesterone. The right answer is follicular stimulating hormone, which stimulates the Graafian follicles, luteinizing hormone, which causes the luteinization, and estrogen, which is released from the developing ova. All are control the menstrual cycles. Yes, C is the right answer. Very good, Safyuddin. Last but not least and most important repetitive question, the hormone that stimulates the stomach to secrete gastric juice is. The hormone that stimulates the stomach to secrete gastric juice is. 30th question, last question. Thank you. Thanks for your likes. Share to your friends also our channel and let them subscribe. Try to increase our competitive numbers, competitors. So Sai Kiran Sai 1920 give the answer as a C for the 30th question. Am I right? Leon Raj is also says as C. Yeah, simple. It is gastrin. The right answer is Shivaram Shivaram. The right answer is C. So that is about today's session. MCQs on endocrinology. We will conduct another topic later. Maybe it is your wish. Okay. You can ask any topic to conduct a quiz. Yeah, I'll continue in next Sunday or tomorrow or day after tomorrow when I am free. I'll conduct the next quiz or I'll conduct the next lesson, next topic. Yeah, where are you? I'm in Jahirabad. Sai Kiran Sai IP. Yes, I'll continue IP also. I'll continue IP classes also today evening or tomorrow. Okay, right. MSET. Okay, IP is nothing but equal to MSET syllabus. We will try to conduct some questions after the completion of IP normal class, general class. I'll try to give some questions at the end of the class. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So, can I close the session? Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice Sunday. Enjoy the day. See you.